Hello, welcome to 5529 Lexington Drive, located in the courtyards of Hayden Run. Come on in, I'm excited to show you this lovely home. When you first walk into this home, you're going to notice the stunning fireplace and the built-in shelving in this cozy living room that opens up into the rest of the house. This open kitchen features a spacious island, tons of cabinet space, and a built-in desk for all your home organization needs. One of the bonuses of this home is it features a flex space on the second floor with its own private full bathroom. This could be a third bedroom, office space, entertainment space, whatever suits your needs. The spacious owner's suite features its own private bathroom with a full walk-in closet. It also has a private exit onto the gorgeous patio. The best feature of this home is the private patio, which is partially covered. You're going to enjoy entertaining friends and family out here, or just relaxing and enjoying some peace and quiet. The great thing about this community is it features a pool and its own private clubhouse. Schedule your own private showing today. This home won't last long.